There's something special about a pencil that sharpens itself. This is the Uni Kuru Toga Advance. I got this pencil from Amazon a couple of weeks ago, and as my first over-engineered mechanical pencil, it immediately became my daily pencil. It's so good that it makes me want to write every day just to enjoy the practicality and smoothness of the rotating mechanism. The rotating lead mechanism keeps the tip sharp without needing to adjust your grip. Pretty clever. Each time the pencil lifts, the internal gear rotates the lead, keeping the point consistent and precise. Here's how it works. A spring-loaded clutch twists the lead a tiny bit with every stroke. The result? No more chisel tips, just a clean, even line. So I recommend this pencil to anyone who writes, sketches, or just enjoys a well-designed pencil.